3, 2, 1. Don't snitch, okay? I trust you. Should I do it again? Did I scare you off?
What is that? Do you have that noise?
I tooted. This is gonna be a good video, I can tell. Stupid YouTubers, dude. Maybe second time's a charm. Oh, I think they got me, guys. Yeah, you guys heard that shit too?
This came from over here. It was either you or him.
I think I just scammed the whole lobby. Hey, miss, I have a question. Have you played Among Us?
I'm sorry.
Have you played Among Us? Because, like,
I'm
the imposter.
Sir.
Shh, don't tell anyone.
Okay, I am the supervisor.
Oh, shit, I told the wrong person.
Right now.